Hey everyone, it's Tay with Spectechular Gadgets, and in this video, I'll be taking a look at the TIAMAT 4 Sport Wireless Earbuds. I picked these earbuds up from Amazon for $55. Let's take a look at the box. It supports Siri, IP67 waterproof, smart touch, and breathing light. Okay, now let's take a look around the back. And it says an earbud, it has 6 hours of playtime, and with the charging case it's 32 hours. And this also comes with outdoor accessories. Taking the lid off of the box, and we have this black package. Inside we have a thank you card and the user manual. Here are the charging case, and the earbuds are most likely in the case. And in this last box we have extra ear tips and a fan blade. The charging USB cable is pretty short. The flashlight accessory. And then this looks like the motor for the fan. Here is everything that you get in the box. Now let's take a look at the charging case and the earbuds. So you see there's USB. There is the TIAMAT logo. And looks like 2 lights on the left and right side. Here is the specifications for the input and output. So pretty plain. So twisting one of the sides, you see Force by TIAMAT. And here are the earbuds. If you twist it the other way, may the force in your hand. That doesn't sound right, but okay, so here are the earbuds. There's the left and right. And you see the breathing light. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna take the left one out, place it in the ear, because these actually can be paired separately. And so here's the right one. And as you see, it's TIAMAT Force L, means I've already paired the left earbud in. So if I scroll up, the left one is actually connected, 100% battery. So let me play a little bit of music. Alright, so let me show you placing them in the ear. Not too difficult. And it fits in there nicely. I don't have the biggest ears. Okay. So it doesn't have a lot of bass, but I mean, it will do. But they sound pretty decent, but if you're looking for a lot of bass, you're not really going to get them from here, but I feel like the noise canceling part is a go. So let's take a look at the accessories. And all that you do is you see there's a green light, so it looks like it's charging my earbuds. You place the flashlight in the USB, and there you go. An on-the-go flashlight. And then let's take a look at the fan accessory. You also plug this into the USB. And there you go. It's not the strongest, but it should give you some sort of relief if you're looking for some fan action. The earbuds can also be used to make phone calls. So if you wanted to decline a call, you would press the touch area of the left or right earbud for a long press. If you wanted to answer a call, you would just click one of the touch areas of the left and right earbud. To switch a song, when the music is playing, you would double click the left earbud, which would go to the previous song, and you would double click the right earbud touch area to go to the next song. Now, if you wanted to pause the music, you just press either the left or right touch area by just one click of the left and right earbud. Now, to raise the volume or lower the volume, you would use the left earbud to lower the volume, and that's just a long press. And you would do the same to raise the volume, but you would just hit the right earbud, a long press on the right earbud to raise the volume. Now, one of the things that I noticed when I first opened up the earbuds was I was having some issues pairing the earbuds to my device. So what you're going to have to do when you first take the earbuds out the charging case, you're going to have to take the left one out first, place that in your ear, and then within a 5-second interval, you'll take the right one and place that in your ear. You'll hear a voice come on saying connected, and then you're all good to go. I want to thank you for watching this quick unboxing of the TIAMAT 4 Sport Wireless Earbuds. Until next time, I want everyone to have a spectacular day. Later.